Hello YouTube, my name is Hegi Oktori Hardianto, and now I want to show you how to create website blog from PHP. Okay, first time you must download software SamePP. Okay, we open this Google, download SamePP, visit. Okay, this latest 7.4, right? After that, you must download Notepad++. Notepad++. Okay, that's it. Latest 7.9. Okay, I have to download this software, and now I want to install this software. That's it. SamePP 7.4 and Notepad++ 7.9. Okay, click, double click. Click OK. Next again. Okay, and now we'll install to Notepad++, right? Click English. Next, agree, next. Okay, I want to create a shortcut desktop. Install. Okay. Okay. For to Notepad++ finish, but for to SamePP we must to wait.
Much later.
Okay, finish this installation. Okay, now I want to run this program, right? SamePP, click, double click. Refresh. Double click. Okay, click start Apache and mysql. Low. First, okay, open folder di C SamePP htdocs. Okay, and here we are create new folder and give name sport tag. Okay, is it, and create new file index.php, right? Okay, edit with Notepad++. Okay, maybe open with, we'll choose default Okay, look out of the PC. Where notepad plus plus, notepad plus plus. Program file 86. Okay, that's it. Okay. Okay. We agree to PHP program. Echo. Hello. I want to create the website. Alright. Control save. Open Google. Klik localhost, name folder Sportec. This is localhost Sportec. Okay, successfully for the installation CMPP and Notepad++. Okay, for next tutorial I want to create a navbar. Okay, YouTube. Thank you. Next, bye bye.